Hello, it's Mother Ego here, and I wanted to address this topic of needing capital to start a business. There are very many ways to start a business. Yes, having capital would be a good one, but usually before someone invests in you or your business, they need to know that it will work. And if you're an entrepreneur, usually you're not even sure what you have will work. So it's usually better to bootstrap, to use what you have. And the easiest way, actually, I got this question from someone else. What's the easiest way of starting a business if you don't have capital? And usually it will be more along the lines of a service business. Do you have a service to provide where you don't need that much capital at all? For example, you have a skill you can give someone. I'll use an example. Maybe you are typist. Maybe you do data entry, but you don't want to have a regular job. You can offer your services maybe to small business people, and you tell them, I can work for you 2 hours a week and do your data entry. You pay me as a contractor. Then you accumulate maybe 3 or 4 of small business owners that you can help. Because remember, also the small business owners usually don't have enough capital to hire full-time people. So they are willing to negotiate and work with other service providers on as a contract basis, something more flexible. So starting a business is possible with no capital. For example, I am a perfect example of that. When I started my coaching business in 2011, I didn't have capital. All I had was a laptop and a dream to write a personal finance course. And that's how I started. Every material I used online was free. I downloaded everything free. I built my own website. I had to learn everything from scratch because I had the dream and I made sure this dream is going to move. So I'm encouraging you, if you have a dream to start something, look around and find alternative ways. That's what makes you a world changer and a history maker. Using alternative ways to do the same old thing. So if there is no capital, well, it means you have to be more creative or you have to collaborate. But things involving capital, usually someone else will invest in you only when they know they'll get a return. And with entrepreneur businesses and small businesses, it's usually very tricky. Well, I hope that helps. This is Keroy, aka Mother Ego. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.